Subcon was always for us a platform where you can have a direct business-to-business relationship. So you can see the very broad representation of the businesses and they are coming with the real needs. And because right now one of our mainstream programs about the data analytics and implementations is exactly for businesses, we thought that, right, that's a very good opportunity to be here and share our success story. Our mainstream program is about the data science and AI adoption. Very famous question. You can find it everywhere, every second in our normal life. But what does it mean for businesses and for manufacturers? We just finished and wrapped up the panel. We are the biggest panel, as we've been told, 7 representatives, but we did it intentionally because we would like to show at which different stages the implementation could give the benefit, how it could be done and why it needs to be done. So that's the first part. Second one, again, associated with businesses, we have so many wonderful, absolutely amazing and innovative solutions that developed at the very initial stage. They are very entrepreneurial, they're spin-outs and spin-ins, and they are stopping over there at the very early stages. And we would like to talk through the process. Where are the barriers? Why this whole mass of the amazing innovators standing at this very early stage and not developing and not progressing quickly enough to support the competitiveness of UK innovations? That's the second. Third one is about one of the most important questions about our next generation. That's not a secret anymore. The cat is out of a sack that engineering is not the most popular subject. Even starting from the school age and going upwards to the universities, colleges. And here we go. We have a very big gap in terms of certain skills on the manufacturing shop floors. So we will be speaking about the opportunities and most importantly, the paradigm where the core of this issue, let me be honest, it is an issue. Where is the opportunity to start tackling it and change the paradigm? So, for example, the AI is now very, very known and very well approved type of the implementation and development. But it is a brilliant opportunity how the younger generation using all these digital skills, the platforms, the VRs, ARs, could start approaching closer the subject of the engineering. So it's not a dirty sleeves and dungarees and the hot temperatures anymore. It's bright, nice, white, shiny labs with lots of robots, lots of the equipment, lots of the virtual things and analytics. That's the future generation. That's how Industry 5.0 will look like. And we need to introduce this model in their head right now. So we will have the ready skill set for Industry 5.0. That's pretty much what I will be involved. But we have lots of our colleagues who are speaking about skills in particular, because we have Manufacturing Skills Academy in NMIS, and we have our remanufacturing lead who will be saying, you know what, actually you can reuse, recycle and remanufacture quite a lot of things and save up to 90% of the CO2. It is very important for us to be at the Subcon. First, it is an amazing opportunity to bring our partners and share our story, their experience. It is always very nice when you're coming out and saying, hey, I'm Evgenia, we did this and that. But that's a brilliant case study when company and industrial players come in with you and saying, that was our issue. That's how the approach been suggested. That's how we implemented. That's our success. So it is a precedent and it always works as a very good example. And this platform of the Subcon is a very good opportunity where these examples could be shared with a very broad audience. They all coming from the different sectors. That's the subcontracting supply chain elements that we all engage in with. And we could participate almost as a connecting point between those developments and innovations that we are building up as a research and technology organization, as academics who works with industry, and share this experience for the companies who is here.